Imagine walking into your living room, pillows everywhere, things scattered across the table, stuff on the floor, and instead of cleaning it yourself, a robot just walks in, looks around, and starts tidying the entire room. No remote control, no human instructions, just the robot. Well, that moment might be closer than you think, because the new Helix 02 update just showed something that honestly feels like a glimpse into the future. And it's a little shocking. So about a month ago, Helix 02 was introduced as a single AI system that controls an entire humanoid robot body, straight from camera images, not separate programs for walking, grabbing, or planning. Just one system doing everything. And the first demo showed the robot cleaning up a kitchen. But now, they've dropped a brand new test. This time, the robot is tackling an entire living room. The robot walks into the room and pauses for a moment, almost like it's looking around, figuring out what needs to be done. There's a couch with cushions out of place, items scattered across the coffee table, random things lying around the floor. Basically, a normal messy living room. Then the robot starts moving. It walks over to the couch, picks up a cushion, adjusts it carefully, and places it back neatly. Next, it moves to the coffee table, reaching down and clearing objects one by one. What's interesting here is the way it moves. It's not locked into a single spot like a factory robot. It's walking, bending, reaching, carrying things, then moving somewhere else to place them, all in one continuous flow. Cleaning a room sounds simple. But for robots, it's actually a nightmare. Homes are unpredictable. Objects are different shapes, sizes, textures. Things aren't always where you expect them. And the robot has to balance its whole body while manipulating objects. In this demo, Helix 02 seems to handle all of that with a single neural system guiding the entire robot. That means the same AI controlling the arms is also helping decide where to walk, how to bend, and how to pick things up. It's like the robot is using one brain for everything. And that's a big shift compared to traditional robots that rely on multiple separate systems. The really interesting part is how the robot works across the whole room. It doesn't just pick up one item and stop. It keeps going, spotting the next object, walking across the room, carrying items from one place to another. It's basically performing a full tidy-up routine the way a human would. And that's what researchers call a long horizon task, a sequence of actions that continues over time without restarting. For robots, that's extremely difficult. But here, it looks surprisingly smooth. Now, this doesn't mean home robots are about to replace chores tomorrow. The environment is still controlled, and robots are still slower than humans. But what this demo shows is something important. Robots are starting to operate in human spaces, doing human-style tasks across an entire room. And that's a huge step toward the idea of a true home assistant robot. So the real question is, are we watching the early days of the first robot that can actually clean your house? Or is there still a long road ahead? Let me know what you think. Because if robots like Helix 02 keep improving at this pace, the future of home robotics might arrive sooner than anyone expected.